I send you a picture now.
Yes, because you said only 6th floor.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, this is like not going on there.
Alright, thank you.
Send me message confirmation.
Okay, sure, I will.
Thank you.
Yeah. Fine. Yeah, pick it up. Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I couldn't continue vlogging yesterday. I was having some kind of serious headache yesterday. I just got my package from Temu. I ordered some things from Temu, so let's unbox it together, okay?
What do you need?
Okay. And they need this sound like 91 pieces. I bought this thing for my kitchen. Well, I thought it was bigger, but I mean, it still does the job. It's still okay. I also bought this heatless corollas. I bought this pampas flowers from. I thought it was going to be bigger, but I mean, it's still okay. I also have airpins, bobby pins. I have this aromatherapy essential oils for the stuff I bought. This is for diffusers. This is hair nets for my wigs. And what is this? I don't know what this is. I can't remember what this is. Ah, my phone stand. Yeah, I hope this thing does the job. Eh? What? Oh my god, why is it going to be thicker or better than this? But let's see if it works. Otherwise, I'll just return something. What is this? You know, sometimes you order from Temu and then you can't even remember what. Not a lot, but you order something and then you forget what you ordered. What is? Oh, lint remover. Wow. Okay, this looks like what I saw. It actually looks like it. It's to remove lints for chairs, for clothes, and everything. I think I'll just plug it with one of the head sockets I have. I bought 2 humidifiers. This one, I knew this one was very small, but yeah, I just bought it just in case I don't want to take this. It looks bigger than what I expected, but this one is 4 liters. This one is about 340 ml or something. 4 liters humidifier. Does this not have a charger or something? Anyway, I'll call my husband. I don't know how this works, but let's see. I'll see how it works. They're okay. I'll just test some of them right now, okay? See you soon. Perfect. So I've just set the pampas flower. I didn't even think it was going to be this much. I really love it. It's made 2 vases, but I'm not sure if I should leave it like this or I should take one of this ones somewhere else. But I just love that it's looking like this. We have some picture frames here. I haven't printed pictures on it. You can see they're still very much new. But in, like during our staycation, that was when I got it. So I'm not sure what to do with it yet, but I really love these pampas flowers. If you want to get pampas flowers, please bear in mind that they shed a lot. You have to keep cleaning. They shed a whole lot. So yeah, this is what it's looking like, and I absolutely love it. I didn't even plan that this one was gonna have anything. Like when this stuff came, it looked so small, but look at it, so beautiful. I really love it. Yeah. So Sing because I'm free. His eyes is on the sparrow. Now
You are cheating
over me. I better cut me, John. Let's eat. I'm hungry. Baby.